And they're figurines, they're not toys. Thank you so much. Welcome back to my channel. As you know, in one of my previous videos, I love everything Minions. And I love collecting every single piece of Minion merchandise that I can get. And once I knew that Pop Mart had the Bello World Minions, I got them so fast. Then I saw they had the Laser Day ones, I got them so fast. And I had to get these exclusive China Minions from China, from AliExpress. They took forever to get here. They went from China to USA to Hong Kong, then back to China, then to Japan for some reason, then finally they arrived in Australia. So we're gonna do an unboxing. This one is sealed, the main set is sealed, and this one is the secret. The only thing I'm worried about this one is if I get the secret in this or if I get doubles in this. We're gonna open the secret last, so I'm just going to pop this over here for now. I love doing mystery box unboxings. They're like one of my favorite things to do. Let's begin. Oh my goodness, there's 12 to get. Let's have a look at the designs. We're gonna go with 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start with this one. That is always so satisfying. Let us see who we have got. Now the thing I do with Pop Mart things is I never open the card. I just go straight away into these figures to see what we have. Oh, looks like we have Tiger Riding Dave. This one is so cute. And the one thing I love about Pop Mart Minions is they're such high quality figurines. But this is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna be obsessed with all these. Wait, his hand is broken. His little hand is broken. I'm gonna have to like super glue this. And then every figure comes with a card of which character you get inside the box, which is so cute. Oh, and you also get this really exciting thing. It's a moisture absorber. Let's just keep going with these. Let's not ask Siri anymore for which characters we should open next. Oh, this one has a little packet thing with it. Like another packet inside there. This looks like a singing one. I knew it. The little singing one. Okay, wait, what was the name? Shanghai Singing Tom. Again, they're such high quality. I love these. These are so cute. Oh, this is the microphone. And then again, the card that comes with it. These are so cute. I can never get tired of these. Oh, let's see who we have. I've turned into Singing Tom. Yeah. Okay, this has like a spear looking thing. So I am going to assume we've got Terracotta Warrior Kevin. And guess who was right? Guess who knows everything about everyone and everything? This one's a bit more of like a pale yellow. I would say like the type of yellow the inside of a banana is. Do you know what I mean? Oh, he's eating a banana as well, look at that. And then the card for Terracotta Warrior Heaven. You know what, fun fact, I used to know a minion's name. You're gonna think I'm weird. A minion's name just by looking. I could look at a minion and be like, okay, that one's called Dave. That one's Stuart. It was crazy. It was so weird. That one's Tim. I just knew a minion's name by looking at him. I studied, like, no one's more of a bigger fan than me. I'm telling you right now. Okay, this one's got some green. Oh, this is Bob. I can tell you right now it's Bob because we have a bear. We have a little bear. Oh, can you see it? We have a little bear in this, so it looks like there's a bear in there. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be Bob. Fun fact, Bob is the only Bob is the only minion that has 2 different colored eyes. So cute. Bob is the cutest minion. There's a fan. Okay, just by looking at it, we have got Pecking Opera Stewart. The ripping of this packet is like the most satisfying thing in the whole wide world. I love it. Oh my goodness, remember when McDonald's toys used to have this like plastic thing? What a time. Such a cute minion. These are so adorable. And what I love actually about this is that they're like country specific. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like they were only released in China. They weren't released in any other country. And I had to get these shipped all the way from China. And they took ages to get here, but you know what? It's fine. Patience is a virtue, and it's all about waiting. Okay, even though as soon as I placed the order, I was like waiting by the door. It took like 4 weeks to get here. Oh my goodness. The moisture absorber. Ooh, okay, it looks like we have some, a drum set. This is gonna be the cute one. This is going to be Kung Fu Hammer Phil. Hi, thank you, Phil. Ooh, okay. The quality is insane. Nothing honestly beats the quality of these minions. No other minions merch I've ever gotten in my life has been this type of quality. This is perfect quality. When I display these on my like display cabinet, I'm gonna have to set these up with when I display these all in my display cabinet, I'm gonna have to set up all the little accessories that they all come with. This one's different, obviously because it's a whole set. Okay, this looks like it might be Hot Pot Bob. Another Bob one. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. My favorite minion used to be Dave. Dave, listen up please. Not anymore, it's actually Bob. Bob is cute. Stop. Oh, he's eating a hot pot. That's so adorable. And that's what it looks like when it's fully set up. I can keep saying it. I've said it maybe 25 times already in this video that this is going to be such a cute set. And I already have like the Minions ride set from Pop Mart. I have Lazy Day. I have Bedtime Stories. I have so many. There's one more that came out for the Minions and Monsters movie that I have to go pick up sometime during this week. And of course I'll be doing an unboxing for those, don't you worry. And then there's another set that I don't have, which was one of the first releases of Minions. And I didn't even know like it was a thing, so... Oh my goodness me. This is a ginormous moisture absorber. Okay, it looks like we get an calligraphy. This is the calligraphy one. Chinese calligraphy Dave. Yeah, no, so there was the first Pop Mart Minion set I never got because I didn't even know that these were a thing. So that's on its way from Alibaba. That was pretty expensive. Sorry, from AliExpress. Dave, see, this is Dave. The way to know if it's Dave: 2 eyes, hair that is like kind of flat on both sides, and his medium height. He's like the average height. Kevin is the tall minion, 2 eyes, pointy hair. Stuart is the medium-sized 1 eye, flat hair. This one's got like a broomstick kind of thing. Oh, this might be Candid calls Tom. Yes, I was right. Fun fact, I love Minions so much that every time McDonald's does like a Happy Meals toy promotion thing, I will collect every single one, and I have them. Even some of the exclusive rare ones from internet, like different countries. I remember there was like some that were only released in Brazil. I had to get those shipped. Some that were only released in America. I had to get those shipped. Some in Italy, some in Europe. Like I had to get my dad, because I was too young back then to obviously have an eBay account. So I had to get my dad to pay for them. And I think he spent quite a bit on them, to be really honest. So Minions are expensive. Minions are very, very expensive. Oh, we have another Bob. We have another, oh, okay, because there's a bear. This is, looks like a chess set thing. So it looks like Game of Go Bob. Bob. Again, Bob is the cutest minion. And this is the card that we get. We have now all 3 Bobs. So Bamboo Flip Bob, Game of Go Bob, and Hot Pot Bob. Alright, there's 2 more of the regular plus the secret. This is the flying one. Looks like we get an airplane thing. So this looks like it might be Fly High Stewart. Gorgeous. See how it was right? 1 eye, flat hair, medium height. This is Stewart. I just know minions by looking at them. I could be the next Gru. I'll know a minion by looking at him. I think I read somewhere, I don't know if this is actually correct, but I think I read somewhere that the first Despicable Me movie didn't have like a high enough budget, that the producers really wanted to create like proper henchmen, but they didn't have a high enough budget, so they created these little minion yellow things and like copy and pasted like all of them because they didn't have a higher budget. And then obviously this created the minions, the iconic minions. You can't deny that. They're so iconic. Oh, this is actually gonna be such a cute one. This one's got some heft to it. So this is the cape for the big minion. Which one's this? This is Lion Dance Stewart. Okay, so then obviously that goes on there together. It's like the one on the actual, on the front of the box. This is adorable. Lion Dance Stewart, so cute. And then that's what he looks like put together. I'm gonna have like an entire display cabinet full of minions, just dedicated to minions. This is the secret, guys. Let's open it and have a look at him, because the secret is always the best one. Let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like we have the lion statue and the hammer. Oh, he's holding a chisel already. That's so cute. Ooh, something different about this card is that it's actually gray. This is called Stone Lion Sculptor Carl. Adorable. Now, okay, thank goodness I have the whole set, because I did not want to contact the seller and tell them I didn't get the whole set. Because I paid, obviously, for 12 different minions in this box. And it was sealed, and that's why I was scared to, like, open it. Alright, there we have it. That is the China exclusive minions from Pop Mart. And this was fun. I love opening blind boxes, even though I knew I had the whole set, but it's just the excitement of which character I'm gonna get at the time of opening. I'll be getting more Pop Mart minion merch from Pop Mart this week, and I'll be doing an unboxing for those minions as well. And I'll be waiting for the ones from AliExpress to arrive. They're coming soon, and I'll be doing an unboxing for those as well. So you'll be seeing more minion content. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video, and I hope to see you next time.